Every piece of music, from Mozart to your favorite movie soundtrack, is moved by one simple thing, the beat. Today you're going to learn how beats, patterns, and time signatures work by practicing with me at the piano. In case you don't have a piano yet, I've linked some beginner-friendly options in the description so you can check that out. Let's get right to it.
What is a beat?
The beat is the motor that moves music. It's steady, predictable, always moving forward. This is a metronome. It's a small device, or you can actually download free apps that tick at a steady pace. Each one of these sticks represents one beat. By playing along with it, you train your ears and hands to stay perfectly in time. It's like having an invisible conductor guiding your rhythm. So try this. Turn on your metronome. Place one finger on middle C. Play following the metronome. That's it. You're playing the beat.
Beat patterns.
Beats are more complex than that, though. They don't stand alone. They live in patterns or groups, and the most common ones are 2, 3, and 4 beat patterns or groupings. The following drill is one of the best ways to train your ears and your hands to follow the metronome and keep a steady beat pattern. It also helps you internalize beats so that you can produce it later on. Same as before. Place one finger on middle C and play following the metronome while counting 2 beats. 1, 2. Now do it while playing 3 beats. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Now do it while playing 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice how the first note in each group feels the strongest. That's what gives music its shape. The beat pattern begins with the first beat being the strongest. I linked a few metronome options in the description if you want to check that out.
Quarter notes.
So far, each note that we've been playing is called a quarter note. In most music, a quarter note equals to 1 beat. Here are other finger exercises to practice playing different beat patterns. Making sure the first beat is strongest, alternate between fingers 2 and 3 on 2 different notes while following the metronome. If you don't know the finger numbers, make sure to check out my previous lesson. 1, 2. Okay, now let's try fingers 3 and 4. Then fingers 4 and 5. Last but not least, fingers 1 and 2. 1, 2. You can do the same for beat patterns using the fingers 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, 5. And for 4 beats, you can use the fingers 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 5. I linked a comprehensible finger exercise worksheet for all of these 3 exercises in the description. Now you're practicing timing and finger control.
Measures.
Beat patterns are organized into boxes called measures. Each measure contains a beat pattern. A 2-beat pattern has 2 quarter notes per measure. A 3-beat pattern has 3 quarter notes per measure. And a 4-beat pattern has 4 quarter notes per measure. And so on, depending on the time signature.
So a measure is a neat group of beats that helps organize music and keeps everything in rhythm. But what is time signature?
Time signatures.
At the start of a piece, you will see a time signature. 2 numbers stacked like a fraction. The top number tells you how many beats are in each measure. The bottom number tells you what kind of note equals 1 beat. 4/4 time signature means 4 quarter notes per measure. 3/4 time signature means 3 quarter notes per measure. 2/4 time signature means 2 quarter notes per measure.
That's how music stays organized.
Conclusion.
Today, you practice the basics. Beats, beat patterns, quarter notes, measures, and time signatures. Even with just 1 or 2 fingers, you've already begun to play like a musician. Keep practicing these drills, and in the next lesson, we'll go deeper into how notes can change and expand. That's it for this lesson. Stay musical, and see you in the next lesson.